What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another episode. As you can see sa intro ng ating video today, we're prepping the EG for the upcoming track day. Actually, we have 12 days to go. Track prep natin si EG. Dadalhin natin siya sa LDL and then ipapatono natin ng konti lang kasi may issue siya sa idling right now from the last event. So hopefully maayos yan. Like I said, we have 12 days to go. Ma-prep lang natin yung auto, palit ng gulong, preno, change oil, just the regular track prep. Mabait naman si EG, hindi naman tumaarting auto eh. So yeah, we'll take you guys to our event and we'll see you guys. So we are gonna head out to the Speedway. Punta tayo sa LDL Speed Shop kay Kuya Dennis para mapa-check na natin yung EG tsaka yung EK. So we are making progress kasi like I said earlier, yung event naman natin para sa track day is still 12 days away. So less than 2 weeks, gonna be on a Sunday, December 1st. So lahat piniprep na natin today para next week hindi ko na iisipin kung ano yung mga kailangan pang gawin. At least yung mga malalaking bagay na kailangan i-prep para sa EG tsaka sa EK matapos na. So kita-kits tayo sa LDL and yeah, we'll see you guys later. Alright, we are here. Hope man, ingay ng ating sasakyan. Sa LDL na tayo.
Ilan? Apat dapat, auto, di ba?
Oh, yan ang problema, 5.
5?
Oo, auto to.
Di 6?
Ang nangyari? Naputol?
Oo, yan ang problema. Walang feedback. Oo, madali kabit. Maraming kulay. Kailangan mo ibaba, Mike. Tanggalin ko na yung part. Ilagay mo sa driver.
Okay. Tinitake off, rolling.
Oo, rolling na. Okay na, habol na. Habol na. Siguro yung auto sensor lang. Yung auto lang siguro yung feedback. Although sealed yan, eventually magkaka-issue ka yan. Hindi naman right away, but one.
Hey guys, welcome back. So we are just heading home now. Tapos na tayo sa LDL. Tapos na yung kailangan gawin sa EG. I'm actually excited to drive the EG again kasi last year, yung huling track day ko, ang gamit natin yung Type R. So this time, balik na tayo sa EG and it should be good. So again, thank you guys for hanging out with us. Thank you for watching the track prep video or vlog. Wala tayong motovlog today kasi masyadong malamig sa Vegas, ang hirap magmotor. So car content na lang muna tayo for now. Alright, we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for coming with us. And we'll see you on the next video on part 2, track day. Alright guys, God bless and be a blessing to one another. Peace.